Therefore, mema kwaba edeba Adom TV. Jumedi atune din enkranhye ensemre. Osomfo Apostle Dr. Anita Ekotego era beti dwoma mede ho chiame. Edine wadodo ade twa so tia wana na Anita Ekotego mate. Ene so emre to so miensa. The third law of love and relationships. That third law is the law of learning. Learning adisua. One will say aware pe na akomu a woji certificate anso akosua de. Oko ware obi say am marriage certificate. Meanwhile unim hu aware mu. No am certificate. Therefore, lessons of love and relationships are learned in the process of the love relationships. Ye kita ngodie mu na esua de. Na mahuru yie na so hunu yie. Enti the first time I be hia no, this time na ye be fefe ya ho ano, na so nsem I love you. Our first and second years are meant for us to understand our differences, to learn about each other's don'ts and do's, to know your likes and your dislikes, to appreciate your views. So there's a lot of learning in relationships. Nkitangudie enyina so baako ene adesua. Men kan se me de minim wunim hu. Se wo to bo na wo sua sinto a ewo wo ankasa wabrabo mu. Ene sinto ewo memu na agitum. Ese wo sua bia wo ahodne na me so bia wo ahodne na opagya me. Ese wo sua ne amepɛ ne amempɛ. Ebi wa na mempɛ so nye. Ebi wa mepɛ no so nye. How do you manage me? Then to come to mutual conclusion and mutual meaning. There's a lot of learning to be done in our relationships. At the Chibia ya desua, at the Sanabia ya desua, and ti wado nyina so baako, se yesua de. Ebi amemi enkrani bi fempoano, ana pa me so na me pese me di dokono. Ebi a wo ya kani ufri kumase no ho a, ana pa pa mpese ni abom. Me mpa mpese na abom. Kwan ben so na wo be sua dokono die, na me so mesua ampese die. Na ya kan bom, desua. Ebi adokron me miamia ne se anama mene wo so ampese wo wesa me so mpa wesa na so esanse me no bebo brakosi dan kwament no se metimi sua se de wesa ampese na so sua se de mi adokron na wodie desua ebi na bebia wo fire no so so ana pa wo de nso hye na adware me so me de nso onyu na adware me nto hita na me ne kettle kwamben so na be fa so asua nso onyu no adware se wo sua. And now, as I said, we have to learn to live together. I feel we have to learn to think together. There's no way about me. I said I'm imagining. You cannot think like me, and I cannot think like you. We can only think together. We have to learn to think together. What the wajun ba? Na me the wajun ba? Ni asemu. Ni yidi asafata. So we learn to think together. In relationships, don't try to make the other person like you. Learn not to try to make the other person like you. Or your ba also a bema. And kwaye ne se onye mema nioma. And also your ba no so bema. And fa so onye mema nioma. Se beta frache wo ba utimi su eye. Bema ofifi nsemu eye. Nti mema bema nkasa na wanye ni ye. And na wan fa ne say ono dabi. E ma de atenka na ye de won ye. And na mema ye mfifi mu. Ni nyina so ye. Se wo sua se de atenka e kura wo ba. Na wo ba so wo sua se de be fifi nsemu akra bema odo nyina so ene ntiase obuo to wache kasapa ene ne yepa ni nyina ya de ese esua se wa nya obi a utimi sua de a untimi ene obi ninkita honda. You must be ready to be a student of life, to be able to relate with people perfectly. Se wonye obi a utimi sua de a woni nkrofo kita ho de obebre eti a metie mini ameye as rid of ekasa kire me na masua de afri no na my program na di mu me sua se de hwe camera mu enti obi di akosua no e na de kire me e se ya hwe camera ni sei na matri betira me hwe mu enti mini mi bi de na se me sua obi so de na edi mu onko a woni mi biara ti enkita hodie e adesua de enya ahomaso enya ahantan enya minim na emra etoso miensa emma kita hodie dimu se wa krado se obesua de wa sua de me wo me so sua de wo ni aka bomu e de di ene de asori me yiri se wa sua bibi kachire obi se nyame sua ye nie na empo enka wotim afabubura. Me say there are 3 laws today of relationships. The first law is the mirror law. The second law is the law of elevation. The third law is the learning law. Se obesua de. Sua ade adechi bia na betumpon. Woni onyame entina. Aha na meja wo. Edin yam so ni tekotego. Me da woni a ebo machi dom, eye camera, sound, MCR, lighting, and I'm a producer, Randolph, and I work back and pay do me the money. Ase. Well, when I'm ready, I'm ready. When I'm in Shirao, I'm a major war. When I'm entina.
CBM Sawa by Adom TV, Badwam Sini, Yadanita Ekotegwase, Ninkwanshan Sama Jordan or Pain so. What Yasha said, dear Amaya, dear Sony Adom TV, Badwam Cassie, and some near to Mubia, Ubatiani, Yachini Pami and Sam, Bogatanga, Abaya, Sabia, who her boxes, a hodro, Womakuya, yet the whole some no Ebebrum. And they make us ensure dear, a year can tampo MC in so. Yet muchly, ya day and come full free my room begoni upon and tuma. And then send bin and pay me the brow, Adom TV, Badwam Cassie, channel live or Facebook/Adom TV, Go TV channel near 119, DSTV, A280, Media Fear, Amankwa, Tamaklo. A fear Nidia Mutia said and some more Ankasa etie. Bamba fonjo shemu edi mu ene nam so ama wachere enipa amiensa ya wonjuma dia wadie ene se nuo boxes ahodo ya ewo Bogatanga Regional Hospital warma kwakowia Adom TV kase etwaso.
A police phone krata wadi betu dwan wachire mu se Raymond Asoke eye shenkani ewo Bogatanga Regional Hospital na osanabo so meda neto so nan afimpinu ene aduonu miensem ena police fo ehunu nu a na wo hyehye boxes bia enuro ewo mu efri efie bia won hye no nso egu saloon car bia and registration number AG 1532-21 mu enu enenam so a wonom ekire no abra wonom ehwehwe ehyan ni mu no wonom eje boxes dumienu ya na enuru ahodo ewo mu wonom to aso ekofi honom ekohwehwe honom ehon so wasan hunu boxes no aduonu mienu ya na enuru ahodo egu mu a police fo akire mu a wonom koso aye nhwehwemu enu enenam so a wonom ede kwakire assistant dispensary officer ewo ayaresabia no pharmacy ene Rahim Fasilat ya wono so aya regional storekeeper ewo Mantamu ayaresabia honom na honom no wonom agitu mu se wonom ena ede sa boxes ema shenkani no police fo akire mu sesesei sa enipa miensen wonom akwakodi a police fo nsem a woyɛ nhyehyɛ no de wonom akwakogina asɛmdi bia sɛbɛyɛ a wode won ɛbɛfa emra kwan so ne nyina mu no wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ ogusua ɛyɛ nhwehwɛmu sɛ de ɛbɛyɛ a enipa wɔ ne wonom edi sɛ adwuma yi obetumi akyere wonom na wasan so ahunu adekodi a sɛ nnura wo wia efi ayaresabea honom no de koye.
So MPP no yenuanom sabi nkramofo no efri mu a ya na won ene bambofo ntemu no apotri bi edem efisa nkramofo amamra mu no so obi to a amunum ho na no ewo so wom kopɛ ne korabre ne kobase bi a bibinti ye hia sa bambofo hwehwemu ene nam so ema nipa no fri mu no yade a ya na ne wamamre no bo abura kakra na so ne nyame adom ye se yenya amukrabia ya senkamofo fri mu a ye be kora wo mu na fe hwehwemu bia wo sababofo ye no wo motumi ahwehwemu a akoso e wo kentampo a Adom kase etwaso
ye dikan pa no mebo ye nuanom a omunya adwen na omuka se ye mfa sa adwuma de emra kentampo a mebo mabasama da omase na fei bi nuanom a omuwa brochire omuye muslims omaka omu ho bom ene kentampo fo omu ha individuals omu contribute to ye amesimisi sa dan we no medo mu nyina se abo mabaso nyankopon Allah oyisire omu pa
Sariki fani nama ya wotoso miensa Zongo hene wono na wo hwe akire se panyini a woda Council of Zongo Chiefs ano ode ato Muslimi ku ahodo nyina animu se sa na monpa ku yetui wono mo hwe no ntubi
we a ya samfa ya ntu mochiri kase no a the general mochiri of Kintampo no na ye mo a se e na ye ni bi no ni a message ni se mo a mo adwone a mo abrochire ni mo a mo ndone yan na mo mo de mo yɛ kidabo for ma
Mayanto Adom TV Badwam kase no so ne amfa nkonsam foforo mu mansin krache pani wo nkwanta south eyo timanta mu so de kokobo mu odin enema yema ene wo mo behye won BC sohwe no ase no wosre wo mu apobia nkadem na de wo masua de ya kire won eno na wo mo emfa ni dwuma ewo examination hall woni Adom kase edi nkomoi
na se dun sohwe mbra de apo de ya hye wo mutin se menya bia bia medi bibi behye medeben ikotokromu anampo me pant mu ase me kwa kwatra matumi awia hwe na matumi ahwe anya de ebe o mu se yetumi esiesie mu na eja o mu kwan e wo sika fom aduane afom ko betron so hwe na o sori na wanya aduane papa bia ndi a anya bia wa adwune betumi aye adwuma se de wo se ye ti mesra wo fo no mmofra no ba ye hwe o ma didie mu na afi enye baby pabi emom omo betra omo betumi enkosora nsu ade
enwachi gifting penny asanya akwa ya wono nkwanta south MP Pamanyoko no madom frefo enso card to aso say
enema na ye di mom ndi say ma setni sa enema nketengete ni akade nketengete na omo de betru no e betumi aboa awofo na ye di ama mofa no na edi omo no motimi achonso hwene nti ye bota ye nyina no nti ye betwe ma seti ni ye di aboa
the Crocrano, Nkwanta South Municipal Education Director, and so chere ni so, when Maya wonsa akin ho, no chere sebenam sunteno, adesua for hono no adwendwen so ebete.
This year, ye yusu nkwala mock no, na ye di spam mom. Inti spam na ye no, omu performance. Based on no ye remedial activities ema nkwala na omu form modern no. Inti extra classes ema omo so yetimi ye pay for to me organizing mocks ye de be hwe omo ahoden inti ye de niam ahihye
Abuakwa South Education Directorate so de samu tudwa wo kire say Kingsley Maths and Science quiz no a wo mo ye no afi bia mu e wo mansin mu no nyame ani mu ne enya nsunsaso pa e wo mofra na desua so pa director hwe nwumesua so wo mansin mu comfort for apia ene din semi tudwa wo kire mu say efi bra wo mo chaase no wo mo koye nsohwe bia na uhun sunsun ye wo mu Adom kase etoso.
It's last year Science and Maths quiz contestants now were year quiz no ebitimi nya aggregate 6 indication say quiz no I impact one performance in the BEC. Now this 2022 results ayenya afi so percentage pass no 67.17 indicative of improvement. So we share 2021 results are by na 80 improve performance. A woman say primary school no exams external exams be any was here for to the basic 6 but improvement no make me I can say improve.
Jumedie no ase no bonsu MA Basic School ana womo edi nkunim ewa kensi a womo edi hye so no registrar a ono ene wo Ghana Scholarship Secretariat a ono ene sign eye founder Emma Kingsley Maths and Science quiz e course no Dr. Kingsley Ajimai enso edi tudwa se quiz ya womo eye masuku nkwada no eye ade a abo mo ye pa
enti esanse yehu se problem ho no we womo ye Maths and Science nyina from quarter finals nyina Omoko secondary school no mko to science. Omoma kwan bia ye Kingsley vacation classes here then. Just to beef it up and give them more learning time because of background no. And this will be occur yan fan say John Tay JSS and answer Achimota JSS. Enti we ya dia ye ya boa. Ti enu omu wi aye wi. Enu omu to asoa kosita mo bedu tertiary. Ye da ye so ne say in the next 5 years no. Ye kind him before akwadre ewo math and science ewo Ghana hanoma ese free free mensim hano na menim say kakra me sponsors wo hoyi ene mo so mo hoyi de ye beduro
Headmistress ya wono da wanchi basic Presby Basic and what Santia Chim South and so the other set to a buying uncronkra ne one won some will be a set Omramabwa Warmo Sabeya Eniema pa bepe ebe fa ne ntoma pa fra niema edi sua ade no ne ade nkonwa niema bebre to sini wo ho nti wo meboa won se be ya womasua ebe ma ne mu so.
Say me hwe me school wa wen cheap presby family. Sabi eni ba bia nkora no. So bi yam kana obekọ akoye no hu yie ko eni bi. Sorry about who modern so mo ha se eye bi but ewie nti aye a how kese a abribia dem kra no be school ma omo sa akofie ye kompon no eso etikeji block na any main block ni mu ye person ka ye base extend electricity akọ keji block e be so se foundation for what yan kana don for badum ye na mo quiet made electricity akọ keji block
Nana Berima Edufu a wudi nkan eye achempem hene ewo obuokwa na wofiri asante achemu wanchi odi adesrede to Ghana Education Service ene aban animu say schools ahodo a ewo nkronkuma mu no wonti nani enhwe wo no
ya na ya bebre se okonkura se baby aye mu bifi baaye ene baby emu bisia de na ohwe ya setrem ni ade siem ne ye niema ade sia de na compare de wo ne enkran ne nkura kesiem yom di sia de ne niema condition mu na ebrese se ko ye exam so ne nyina kwatro papra ya na out enti we mejina we so nam de se ne kesi ato Ghana Education Service any abani si yesrom gabo no esudi si sebe ne bitimi average gabo hakra ya omutwo mani ehwe enkurasi school no so mo ye de so omon emfa bi kan ho
Enkwada ya nipadua no akwa bi eto sini ewombo ye frɛ wo mo special needs anase disabled for yi bi wo hono manyame anim ni kwan ya efa so ene wo mo edi ayonkofa no ya na ehadwene atwetwe ene yetete ye ho egu won so no eyade bi se eha won madwene yi papa ne santi Sparkless Foundation for wo mo ayese wo mo so moa ene Ghana fo nyina amoa no awofo ne abatan bi a wo mo mofra bi etesa no obetimi aso won wasene mu se be ya san kwada no de nyame de adua wo mu so betimi apie Adom kase etoso.
There are lots of ways of supporting children who have special needs. There are lots of ways of supporting adults who have special needs, which will make it possible for them to have a certain quality of life, which then allows you also to have a certain quality of life. So do reach out for help, do reach out for guidance on how to go about this. There are so many organizations that can help with this. There are parents who have gone through the process that can help with this and who are open and happy to talk about what they're experiencing. Our organization, Sparkless Foundation, for example, is a charity that supports families. So do reach out, just Google us, reach out and speak to us, because we will be able to help you by providing guidance, providing training, providing insight, sharing resources.
Dr. Samuel Jari, a medical superintendent at Wakuse Government Hospital. On also the two just say awofo a wo enkwada wo autism spectrum no so no omwani bre na se wo pe ayareshe papa ema wo no mo a eboa enkwada ne pa.
Fa kwala ne bra ayaresabia. Fa ne bra na yen hwe no. Sometimes what they need by because okay, yeah, my America cra na yen hwe ebeba, kasa ne beba, nantie ne beba. Aha. Into ba ye no be starti. Nisa, okay. Say ba your other examinations send a makano issue much say ye na ye she ye na son ye ne teacher manase ye ne ni ye hifa a day into ne ba nisa ye be boane a hwehwemu.
Penny ya one on a secondary female central prisons ano ASP Victoria Chama. Ono so de na district to Ghana fo nyina nim say yemra secondary central female prisons ho ne yemeboa wo mo office ne yemabi to sini wo ho a emwa ema de pese ye wo mo ho no ekoso oni Adom TV kase edi nkomoyi.
In fact ekra na ye won somebody bra because ye brepa e dey bia if you do one cedi 80%. 80% enya yi dem ayen nti mo de buy na boama enya yo na be bread video on party say boama mo ye ma so me bi on be use the teaching to the same thing. In fact I really appreciate it so much. aduane ehia eburo nkate ene niema bebre ba wewe ade ngo ade enwom teme de abrɛ aduane asɛm kyada nyama yɛ pa because aduane no nso ɔmo brɛ sɛ yɛ abew sɛ yɛ de enwom ntade ɔmo teme de abrɛ ne mpaboa
Openi Bako di foundation enim Priscilla Lamte ene Adom News nsɛntwɔfoɔ atwitwe nkɔmɔ no wɔde to dwa ɛde nti a wɔn etu saa na mo no.
Okay, since I was hiding there, yaba secondary female prison. Na ayana menstrual hygiene no oyado here in bebre. Na yehunde kofu bebre na wode ko schools na ze. Na so prison no ayana attention na yede mo no. Iya na osua. Iya na osua kakra. Onu nti na nde ya baha. Dai won so ye beche won odo kakra. Ye beche won aze. Na fe ya cheche won mesma. Say besi abana sempo maame na o prison ha. Wa so probetum na akra ho.
Paento Adom TV Badwam kase no so na wo frɛ Ghana Highway Authority mpanimfoɔ sɛ ne manimi yɛ no wo momra na Akokere Junction e wa Danse North Mensimu Asantemantamu no wo momɛyɛ speed ram wo kwan no soma wɔn principal wo Akokere College of Education ye Dr. Emmanuel Nyameche wono na de adesire tudwa wo se wo hwɛ sɛ de cars ebo nipa mu asukufoɔ no ne ade na ano ɔden tinka wo mo ɛmɛyɛ speed ram wo hɔ sɛ bɛyɛ kwanhia dodo ebebrase ewo ho
wayamaye those times na a hard repair students in teaching practice you kind of say supported teaching na omo ya a hard repair you muntimi command let's say abaye kwan na maye ya da abaye sipa ye now how ka cry wo ho no say e ho akoye major junction into an institution college no so your students no mo do sipa ye na cars no fi kuma say ba speed omudi betwam no e ha adwen pa yie na no benadampo cabo bia oye nyamedia akoso sai bi so e prepare mo na ye mpese ebeba se your students ni bi ana se your staff ni bi efi kuma se ba ana se okọ ba bi a obenya kwanhia bi ewo honom ti stress Ministry of Roads and Highways o mehwe maye officials from ministry ni behwe contractors no so e behwe omo gitu mu se kwan ne de ehia se omo ye hu bibi
Osofo ya wo lands and natural resources so ya Samuel Abujinapo o say MPP aban aban ene party a womo enim Ghana sufre na womo fa akoni asahodo so edi ye free ya hokyere mu ne nsam no to so eni.
There is no formidable, progressive, forward-looking, competent, workable proposition in the Ghanaian political market than the New Patriotic Party. Can debate anybody anywhere in Ghana that this MPP, given the opportunity, if the Ghanaian people exercise patience with us and give us the opportunity, it is only this political machine and vehicle, the MPP, that can transform this country.
Director General Edema National Lotteries Authority ene kane national organizer Edema MPP amanyoko no Sami Awuku enso edeto amanyoko no manfo enim se womo hwe se womo de niema begu akwam no mo de akire o manfo enema papa MPP amanyoko no aye.
If you take sports and youth development, if you take health, if you take agriculture, the NPP's biggest problem is not that we haven't achieved being in government, but it's our ability to communicate what we have been able to also achieve in government. Because man to man, item by item, pillar by pillar, segment by segment, sector by sector, we have performed creditably well. In 2024, we have to work ×2 to win 2024.
So na KEEA MPP election and electorate no what you are to one morning supporters need to pass amanyo semu ateni die ye abaton pesua no so no wonu nyi won ho enfri mo sabre ya enipa ni bi eni da kwan se wo bepem ra hwebedwa akonya no e wo hode ama party no wo mo hwe obi aba na aseme ho nte de de nkabo mu eni bi akoye beba ho nsem no wo munye ne mum enya de de nchichemu ni atenie eni na mu Adom TV etwaso.
Yes, sir. MPP aina ye busuapro. America say impo anana ye expecting ibasa na wa for forms. MPP wo kei aina ye busuapro. Say it's the nature. Yes, sir. Do we men share war opponent agroba because he we are me na hypocrisy near fan as parliamentary candidate. Na Raj Manara debia o preach there asmudwe yadboko them parliamentary elections among kwimze ya no yansaka
Enwachi Ebenezer Juman enso card to us say MPP amanyoko no amanyoko ba ko manu dwudwom na okura tumi nanso commander edina igwafo abrem wo mompeso aso no asede mpanyifo agya wo munyanka esan se mahwebedwani owo honom no ade bia ne sabeka no one won meka na manyoko no ho pe na wo mu eche
nti baye edonienu na na mhye mu nkra de se wo be nomination dem time me fa nomination ma submit we say the party no ye denyi match for 25 years now MP come at the check. Listen, MP come no what the check. This is the time over the MP no. Yeje, ye di fi NDC for one thing. Mami ye nyina no. Menyu abir. Ne menyu abir no. Ombiri wo menyu anuma wa yimre contest. Ombiri mo yewura atamas no do. For 12 years no. I want to set a record in KE here there. Over the yetu no. MP people wo hu he na wen waje.
TV Badwam kase no ensi ha no pay nyame hiraw se oje bre na wo hwe rade fie nyina nkomfe mra asomdwe mu nyo shankani dia wotimi hwe live on Facebook/Adom TV odu ba bia wo no na ye Go TV 119 channel Adom TV wo na DSTV so 280 Adom TV hwe ho man no kwabna sante ejane na so e wa ha ne na ho fade no simple but nice. Be me na yemu akwaba.
Me da se.
Aha na aba. Na we are appointment.
Me na nado.
Me amitimi.
Me negotiation me na round table conference me na nado joma.
Okay.
Na adwindwen enioma aye normal e wo mind me abnormal.
Asa mo. Eye. Ho fade no ye Monday.
Normal.
Eni kwata enye normal. Ene no anu aka no ese anyi nyina be no
enye adwuma eso de bia okoba enioma kesi no de be fie wa hu ba
asa normal
what the mention
Matias
wa hu se wakọ adwuma no wa wokopa adwuma no umom no adwuma na ebusa se mam kakra ansa na mafa wo ko immigration Oko Ghana police aye no
njo ko fa no we so wia
eti won say ujina kwan mo East Legon no say mrantie be edu na omu nyina so omano na omu fifi omano saa wo kwan mu bebe 20 minutes normal mrantie nkete isi akra mrantie weekend normal
ombo time ni
enkwada ntitiye no nso no enioma nkwada no eye normal
school boy why drugs trase kura kete 4 years 7 years normal
awfo no so you lose that sense of urgency ni di nti eye awfo no e ma nioma ensem fata sese no ye normal
because the time wanya into wa wo ne ba na nyame ahira no ye na adwuma no e wo so ye de hu ne ba obohu no lines egugu akora ni tire ho o say ni teacher
akora no de ono so ye eye amanwani no esu ni ne ban ne ni ye bia ene oman no hihye ebo abura no o ye kire ma de bro so kora
normal akora didi pani atama normal obi ye ba be defend no kora normal bibia normal
akotina so say mensin krachia na say yi na say okotu sika no wan wie se bo de wajimi
na akodo wanye normal so se biba normal normal and say obaboto nka enya wanwa say apomodin atena ye nokura ho oden nipa miensa bo mutiri mu po allegedly asesa box no no mo de ko normal ntono so ye
driver ni jina kwa mu finfinzi na olodu na ehia odon die na obi a normal
on few kura
normal
bibia ya normal o memu ya je nwura si ho normal ya tete gata mu anwia no egukwa normal mframa behu ni sa bo tiwani na asa
normal na de bo bra
normal o memu de Ghana stay by plan now nye Accra alone bibia ya normal
because bibia ya normal so no ahwe ya be the 10 ni me so no na jinse
na nkanye normal nkenne ye wo ayi Langas association
assassin ya odia no be di patapa
odi tuo ni ade normal wa jini free untime nyare hwe ko hu se obobo tuo ku free wo ku free normal emra no nyina wo ho nso nye adwuma wakum obi wa hu se nipa wakum obi ni aside yanya yi defending all in the name of can say human rights wakum obi ba normal ono dwene ne ma ho se ne ma kwakoye exam sinti enya wo mi wa wakum obi ba normal sa wo mo mawu nyina ene me sister kan se mi kire me se post ni bi o ne work class 2 no 4 se mo hwe mo huye ma se bi nto enkoje chinye bi hu se mfa hwe ma ma obi me proud because okoye na BBC a normal asi free obeko free ya dem kwa akoto afiase obedi free obewi obesesa ba ba ye osofo normal se kura mpa death penalty everywhere kura de obehwi ase de gu nipa no so wase nipa no life normal ya beche no emra no wo ho obesa nya lawyer akese bibia ya normal wo memu bibia
enti nipa di nipa temperature
normal obedi wata anka social media young boy like utumu se unhunu pani no a untume hwe nanimo ne animo wanya one city data bi the camera sinani so the deep penimfo atem normal na we bede na nane no me wo yeso wo ye adwuma nya yi adwuma no kra wo nya bi nye because what the penimu bi atem wanti na no kasaba ho na pani ne ye no anya tunsan so wo so normal
mesre
normal bibia
normal na de chance ne wo ti ho adwene ho ye wo no batifie wo adwuma bim na ne kra na hwe sebi a obrasim enipa bi ni mo so mo ya asofo no ene hwe su ni ban bi
normal last minya osofo pani na me bisa na nti munti me nya hwe normal osofo how to me nyame ni pa bie wa no ana nyame so mo no tese normal nyame ofa no boy che
obi kura na abe normal life in this country
ananka weekendi enkofo bi frefre me number sa frefre me sa wasane me ho ahwan ana me sa me akura me hia bi kura kate me wo ho na obi nso asa frɛ you should numbers be 02300000 bi so check me so free MTN and no friends man say yes okay say me what problem and na bibi because I will walk to MTN's office na me normal kwabra ne hyede ma hyehye normal bibia kwabra sama na de aba no pay serious bibia normal bibia
we mobo
erado we mobo aka ye ankasa
o man na ankasa no me busa no se ndan kwada ekotro so hwe BC so nkwada yi se nyame anye bia dwomna so mo antimi amo de wo so ma na awofo no so nsemu nye dura akwada na se ne da che normal nkwada na kwa straight na normal e je bi eni ho a ma nkranhye ne ani da so from oman mu nipa no eti bibia akwada no obawo ntwetwede saa na okoto bibi mbasa normal
go awofo no agya na sede e wo so wo ye ada na wo mu de obetimi ahwe no na wo be ma nkura na be bed no society no normal me sometimes me hu so nkura bi obi enyini aba be ye bibi o ya so wanti ni panase a wo be conclude panase ne nye
dia mana ihu ni se ye be conclude kire se dia mana ihu kran se oman a abnormalities ye gia to ama ne ma dodo na maburu titruba one of the easiest means susu so be yi ni say omune bema na bema ko le bema ko o ma trash ye ni amanfo kunu stabilize this safe normal
no aba bibi normal
ya no munim say we oni we na ko normal
normal na na we na be
na am hihie bia ni no hu bia ni o
ono kra beji akonya
obaji akonya normal obiara so potem obi antimika
na so obi abusua no kra ya we but normal wagye adwa bekyerɛ sɛ so ɔna ya na ngoma anya ɔtin finfin be ma orders normal but any kwan say
normal na dey koye nim na say pensa kyerɛ yi it normal
what say ye dey nancy form say emra ne niema nhyehyɛ ye nananom mu gya to say ye adwuma ne yenyan say na ya sesa yampa ya sesa because kan etete na nkensuo ye de cap na ehye ne enom and in there,
but we don't change for the bad. We improve for the good.
But an
idea, you change for the bad.
I am normal. Intimate come masam. Intimate nyagri. I am normal. Nanka akwada wo ye de wa school. What pie like who could easier to say wo yare into walk and the way not you say girl no yano hono. There's nowhere. Like omo be jana ma ya free parent because of my gene denomnia de kwabna obi a we yare de say nka your hospital oh akwada ne mpena ho ya say omo ye ne boy busy wo fi ho share na Facebook wo say e normal e na onu school ni akwada bayo a wo awofo do akoto school mu wo se ma ya azan say me yare akọ na makwa akọhye be ma ho kwabna de ye wo mu kura ne say parent na father no and I say o twam no yes o mane fa ho nti o fa ho na o se o hwe ba no so o akwa no yare kra ma yes o nkofie no say any ade no man kan kire me no so o the way no o ye ni nti no ayem hihie ni nti no o mo ka say o nkofie no say any me ba no mai ti ahwa na school no running near fast na nyonko ba ko munya no eso munya no na akra no ne mpana hye hotel yakọ friend ne de ne ba yakwa bena in front of school mistress daddy everybody normal kwabena normal kra na ka chen say no onyare no ko ne boy ko enne nkwada nti abrobo be na mo bo che say aniwo spirit bi afiri emu ebuo spirit bi ani emu nanka hey say wutumi gina mpanimfo anim bold kire ba bia wo ko ya mpa anade edim gwase be di
normal
kwabena bad bad
woman hwe because ye the phone na yenya kwanya ye hwesode no ye kra na ya say asem nyina
oh dabi na say won say enkra na aba no de ye papa no mo hwe o de ye papa no won hwe wo hwe fake life no ye niema bi ba mi wa eyade bi na say opportunity na wanya but wo hwe say nipa no woni na ho esun ba bia wo free ba say serious I was a parent no ankasa obi anya ne de ye so obi ye ne de ye a teacher fo nom ne ade omo so omo de omo ye na de ya chekere omo nsa agu achi e de na abaye na kra ne yantimi ampa ne ye nya ne hwe ya normal ye mo won but anya bro ne bo at least punishment bi kokodro ye wo school no ye wo school ye bibi adro wo be dro be we na nsam nyina ya hyehye enne ye nhye no no akwa no ne skirt ye tento wabu ano wabu anu bleaching no kwa chine ne nankoko mu se etwo wo school din normal enkwa ya bo muti na wuzu na wo mo uti kra de hwan akwase na wo tamba na betimi asale wo tiri nyu akọ class bibia be normal wo maimu aye normal because of what ada na ye wo compare wo bia ono ne system ye okay ye de na nche danye okay ama bibia ba be normal wo maimu ezi say na maka che mo no prayer topics and parents mo sesa no free na ekwe wo ma ne prayer sesa enkonkora na so wo ma na fofo nyina wo be meet wo mo e wo mo da che bom pa ye mo sa enamfo ni bi ekunu papa yire papa adwuma pa enti sa wo betete wo mo yi nanso ahwa na wo makọ akọfa enipa bi ye everybody hu am bo ejina me no so bibia be normal wo memu ni kwa say normal
normal nkomo ni e be di ne de apagya mu 0302211701 enoma mi ne dama koma so nkwada no so hwe o mo twere rade ma esan bia me
o mo mpaye mo me ne ye mo mpaye ma ye me na nkwa na hua de too much
Ghana fo a mo timi out every Ghana akopi o London o mo nam efom ana o mo koye is a major feat. Oh, Ghana for you, Sunni, what
kind of form fires or one auntie?
It's a major feat.
Yeah, full idea.
And then per car, but twice on boy 870,000 Ghana cedi for the 10-day trip.
Almost 16.
So, okay, let me check here. Sorry. And also, more about now. They say you share free. Me say, Bibia or mine, Nipa, Ejumeku, and Crankre, be up as all this when it's a papa, so you know. As I say, catch you say. Odiana say ohia say o ye focus obetimi aye bibia no e barrier enya ne o ma ensem fata wo enya ne o ma ehun hia wo enya ne o ma emma kan koni punto ne satrae ma brabo man impact the power bibia ye positive bia e den a ese botan bia no odi wani sisu nko there clearly you can do it. If you join in our conversation, a normal conversation, then I am abnormal, dear mom.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. When university students start to
yes, my friend. Oh, normal. Over missing t-shirt, and you're like course t-shirt.
Then also about man for child abuser.
Yes.
Who tied 9-year-old boy to AJs.
At a chira 9 years, one can dream. The one is normal. Just all about them online. Over to answer no here. Obi so na eton yakokwa apra ma ye no he. Obi ono aduan yakokwa apro.
Afia.
Ese enya kola bi. Me dofo akesimi ya mo ache e do ba bedwam so anope.
Hello. Afia me da wase papa. Oso me ma wache. One me papa. No wa pa ma di nyina kwabra sante. Be ma ba no enya agro. Na yakopon hira papa ene anope nsem a mama yete. And in some mamma, you were chasing me below her, but I get here. Me who only minimum of a cabana sante, no more can of crash if you mind, and then the quamen, you know, Adamasi. The mechanic said, now, mom, who by now went to me, could do another beer, or my cat and pan and tray.
That's say,
Madame.
Yeah, that's a papa, I am for last caller. Made off when watching over Baby Johnson.
Joso,
Papa.
Good morning.
Morning.
I'm Victor, and I'm a Chilchini. Na asemna wakana in fact atoma kuma so pa na in fact last week I met my students on Mkwako through BEC and I told them something say can you just imagine sebi obi akokra ana obi nana etinkan awe nyina yema mpanyi na ye dinatam e kana mpo ase free SHS cancel so papa said damumu hunti tese adisia die in fact aishira tese bia form ho tese in fact o tichini o bromo jeni say ananjo obeko class akoche nkwala die obedu na mofra some will come very late omo banso a na afi na omo betu mu fun omo eduane afi na omo ba be didi tese ni ye bi okoka esi hey and maba enyesi and it's so appalling. Na misra mo pa sene. In fact, my customer attach me. I mean, come on,
that's what you ni. Nyame ko sna ye wadwuma. Bad kwabena. Enye enkwa no ye jawo ene be say. And the future leaders be ne build the wall. Aye kwabena egufom o awin wan etifom. Aye sa akra ya akra. Pani nye pani. Enkwa nketua hyehyɛ mini. Aye ya boy atwetwe ani ka ba fom. Me emfansi ha ye kwedi agudie mu nsem Professor Ike Wala say ba ene hye nso health tips no ebeba wakwam Sister Sandy be ye guy so dey ahun se pebeba se mi de kan wo hompensempense mu so wo birthday celebrant no so bosome fufuo mu ne ye bedi mu dana mamo enti bi ne o ma hene kwabna sante ye de si ha Professor etwaso
So Adom TV so bedwun dwumadi esuade a wo kan se mu sempa sa kana no pensuja medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the original Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekono content credits modern sa kana no pensu bio e wo Ghana agudie ejaw catch abusuafo enafofo oyere oma wo fasefo na mukrumu ene oprafo na so bia mehwa Adom TV nkomo no ana ye de eba e wo Ghana agudie game park limited madama the games so kwatian sa ba sa achacha utubia eboa osika dwete ho nsem ka no etimi ekoso so e de ma office abre kwade ye hye so ma me se Adom TV so no de bia no ye de draw no etimi san ba 3 times na draw no de di kan pa no by 9 am na etimi to fam na 12 pm so na ne to so minu no etimi san to fam na 6 pm so etimi asan de draw no etimi san brent when the first one abeti the second one as obeti the third one na ode a hye ho office abre kwade okita phone ana se tablet ana se computer na obetimi elodu game park limited omo hye so kun na okọ o play store no so ana se app store no so a na watimi elodu oso sei kama na afo nso de ho atumi asa gym na watimi nyeska kra e de apewata so mesel obie ne ho bitie also no Ghana Game Park Limited na de sa game for create asa ba on setimi ka bitia boa regulated by the National Lottery Authority and afo ni mu fi ngotwen fa onyim and afo nso kwa no o to a na de adwene ka create asa to asa se chacha ediwa waso bitia asa hye we ni bitia pruso adwene bitia bomutim bitia hye enti obeti anase oto chacha na odi adwene kakra etia to ho ye kana na hye no soma me se untimi start we no e ba bibia e Ghana ha ungita e richoku bomodi ada se unsa betin aka richoku e kan richoku dia tim sampa emu ede na e Ghana kuku pa de dia ye bibia wura e shopping bia ma unsa kan richoku no so betin aboa amo estimate start we no right in a Ghanaian way we mu any sponsors ni mu tuturu to ni twitwitwa e na no pay omo techra aboa e ma ye dia wo kansi won sempa en saka 8 major a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins the very first step yen chase FFV in command no so 8 women's World Cup and also round of 16 matches na 8 to top FMC kama na Sweden for Switzerland woman internet and command no so 8 ye tia to Ghana nkomum kakra Mohamed Pulu ye kabo Mohamed Pulu boma Ghana any across of full club na nya sem kuma kra utimisampa the dribbling magician board ye obi ne obetini na bo na mum 2012 Confederation of African Cup for paying for the awards EBPM Okruma no say awards ne 8 top fam nipa ba ko pe legends EBPM nipa ba ko pe Ibrahim Sunday pe ana mo boni din enye na nado dan kwakufu ado ana EBPM a all kind of speech no the closing remarks no ana obomu din a na kare hosem kese pa edema legends a wo ekopim o sa dwumedi na se yeko African Cup, yes, award. Yeah, one. No, buy. We all there. But nobody knew that. Almost invited here. We thought, legends was system no more. They will introduce her because I didn't know Ghana and Ghana. You have to introduce your legends. Obia, it was only one legend. You introduce you. That was Ibrahim Sunday. Yeah. Now we thought even on that platform, no, you have a friend, you invite him, Nayambra, Obian himself. You have a way, you have Oman Penny Bear, a man, last, speech remarks, Robert Kasa. A man who's award because on no hosting, the time and all hosting, no share, say, I dare way and Yanni. Must sacrifice. When him say, your ball from the sisters, sacrificial. We sacrifice our life for football. It belongs to them. Now, what started mentioning? Now, mention me. Let me say, what? Papa, when you were making. Enti Mohamed Pulu ana tene ka so de ne komo 8 start ye ka African Cup of Nations go sa papa etia hyade ama Ghana na wakopi mu dwumedi asenya mu ne din kra na se are hosem kese pa ana 8 se pire Confederation of African Football omde omani e kire Ghana e di awards etintam so 2012 ana sare hosem kese 8 se pie na ye kom football administration e Ghana hadia Ket Edwin Simono Kreku administration ana take over e san hyehyɛ sonkum na ya preko che se hwe the current administrators ne dwumedi omudia enyenyenye chese football administration no ebi omde nam no atete asampan kwa ni na aka ho ana as good for omunya boni bia na ye de akyekire o man nei wes ne mesi koso as good any football bium wo mum page akakra okay wo mum page akakra because we are said there near ye 2 years ago and 4 years ago or 5 years ago it's not like and until you to me compare obi 3 years ago and can ho asem now so I say atare kra wo share by 3-4 years ago wo de ho share mo enko obi yes until I think say so mo left o mo nema I think say ejuma ne de doors o mo ejuma bebre so mo ye because o mbetena say there then nema be say ene une nkofo bi no omo feel say e was say racket ko na obi fufuro ba no ne omo ya adwen oh ene de me ni vote me will vote me will vote there and I know where to Inti yawe champion ana otene kanse odene nkomo 8 start to obobo pen e Ghana ha ogide pass ne efe ne yende so mutimi tumu nkyene ne boa ma ne ma 8 mekoye e de ma Ghana football yenko Patrick Osajima o countryman Songo na onfa Songo stick enso enja na dwada no pay hello Songo
Hello, Professor Otiminka.
Hello, Songo.
Otiminka. Professor.
Hello, Songo.
Otiminka no pay.
Aha, bibia mo kodia yenkwe.
Okay, bibia fantastic. I no pay so much chow. Bibia did na kwaso. More fire. Me to white na no pay pa. Ade wedding kunibala. Elwa bo white yellow pay, Professor. It couldn't be about catching me. More fire. Okay, now your boss will go stick. Send an hour can election as maybe it's Ebusa our champion. I believe, sir. I mean, football under GFP administration, we know there's been a whole lot. What I say, a conform and also I admit the fact saying here. I mean, personalities be and I say leader be a obey me. I read, am I a football? No. And me, my take in is, I mean, it's not just about the president, but also the regional elections and the district elections. Executive members, and I say, you understand, many presidents in the Bayajumano. So, more to a bar, or more and to a bay. I mean, more football owners. Any more my investing or game, all the moves a game, and for Sobia Maso. What I say, all the moves they gave didn't develop it, and we want football a little bit more developing. You understand? I mean, I'm for leaders, I'm for every president more. I'm Mumrame and Richie or Mumrana or Muhunto or football by way of Sibumbina or more at the hour more so more cash who said the end more you. You understand? I'm fat executives and I say before every president more young two about my uncle for the say. I mean, they should come and enrich themselves, and I say, be a mama. I mean, near Omono Penkumano and also daddy, but rather to improve the game, to make sure Ghana football, it my day, it is an elections in Baswa. I'm expecting, say, Upia putting us together. Just say, I mean, I'm hoping, and say, bit me yamping for you more, bit me a football. I'm going to be getting up one more delegate, a motto, Abano. I will keep on saying, say, and my own towagony, and me and talk, when Yansan, and me and Festica, and talk, I mean, vote, you understand, and I am a champion, and also only vote, say, go voter, only baby, and also the football, because elections, because we're who, and that's what you say, Ghana football, see, echo. And when you have the vote, and my vote in Casa, the vote is your power, and we football elections, it's any question now we vote near Towagini, a Towan say, Discabro, Yedibia Bro, now a cocoa to about the development of our football, it me any day, and Kosu. So, I mean, it's up to your leaders who understand, and to understand, say, football now, Omo, Oma disappointed, and I say, Oma na from Kura. I mean, the last time I talked about normalization time. Yet to about say you bit me ide ama normal kwakona after say ya normalization ya normalize football problems aba but ya to about na say o say ke normalize football no ne yakoko ni ma football ni pija na up to date ya mu say the major competitions ni nyina yitimi nkobi you understand our local football no a perform kra local players no I mean you doubt more mutombo national team. The Blasters proper no the various national teams other ones no apart from Blasters no do Mukoprana and also na Jiegu you understand so local football from Oba international footballer foreign based players here is so many good here what is so mobile now Blasters into me flourish Blasters into me mobile papa bia Blasters into me Nikap yeah there's other national teams in the tournament na Jiegu Mari and also Muntimi Kokra so you can see say football no koswa it's not just Kasa and as will be enriching and as leaders enya musika and the football cost won't say yes Ghana football cost local league competition no more key I mean near Africa Club Championship maybe Champions League ni Confederations Cup yeah boy home the yes yeah could be keke you understand you can see the national teams no so be cost national teams no other tournament ye ko bi ye ko so ye ko ji ye ji so ye progress kesi ye ko ye ni match team football no ye tu mpon ye se bia yi tournament ba ko bi pe na no an system na jiegu no ye football no enkoyi say football elections in Baswa. I'm urging football people more mukuta vote delegate and say more share the situation and more trust in your football you see which is enkoyi and no more somebody money share no more pay personalities be another personnel be another nkofo umbetimi ide ejina yanim edu odo aye football no ama football no etimi asa asori ya pija wo Ghana na this year the Ghana football no there I mean the current administration no they should accept the fact say also more accepted the fact that no more said you understand the current administration should accept say and no more any the inquiry your football and I mean see elections there we need to make sure say you bet me ide atu abapama ye nyampen fo a mbetumi ahwe ye football no ama bibia tumi ide akonkan prof eti me fancy ade football elections na baso no and I'm just hoping say personalities no ye benya omunim football ni mu pe football na ya pija Ghana football no na delegate no so beto abapa enye se ye ko jiska na se ye ko ji ejapade bi na ye de atoyi nyansa na ya nkoto abapa. We need to make sure say Ghana football bit na kono many competitions no Ghana ya catch the kura I mean ban football competitions ye nyade ye we intimi qualify be need those things it's your football they admit the fact that I say the elections be baso they are September 27th year also football people delegates it me to abapa eminya empaying for papa it's not only about the president the Biana president the president Oma ye painful many president be Juma district election.
Okay. Okay. Enti Patrick Osaje my countryman Songo na atene kan Songo stake adwada no pawutim sampe mu ahye se oto aba edi ama Ghana Football Association elections na eba na watimi ahwe se bia obitia asenya sakra bitia boa ema agudie na so etime 2.2 ene hyehye sonko kra odi agent Game Park Limited o madama wo na tachiri pa boa emedi dwumedi kese etime bro na fe Richuku opeso start day ne dia ene Ghanaian we a Richuku madama omso tachiri pa boa ema yedi dwumedi na bedu no pompon so medin de prof iki wala sa agudie catch ba ko pe and of course evidence-based presentation timijao na me adoma na premtu bre no Patrick Osaje my best boba no na or the fire for fire and so etia sabro shanusma me say sister Sandy be a guy at the entertainment and eba in fact nkomo no yen kan suda ana order eba intimsel ka che busuafo no bia mebo no ho no e TV no na afie hwe Adom TV within the profit wala sabi de masource.
Oh hey Ametiwa na so ejuma nyame Adom entertainment amen ti Ghana for chemo a
we need Sunday where the guy oh yeah guy sister Sunday be a guy
and this is why
we are guy
this is why I miss osmosis so much. Can osmosis big up yourself once a man baby I will be because oba ni unsa waba but I saw osmosis and sound engineer Richard Neche well be Kofi Ampadu me boss of US abedru Ghana tenadie yeah, so yeah, point. What's the make out of? You know what I'm saying? It's yeah, straight to stories. No, yeah, my pina air trendy. Oh, social. No, as my cultural sense, somebody go how unya daje, crochet. And it's not more hammer no. Gaia's queen. Me boy no. Na me de abro. Straight up, me was say stone boy, a boy. Just a family time. They say the Ghana artist Mati Asie. Or Chame Kwame. A yadi of fatherhood salai no. No say stone boy so kekako. One Dr. Louisa. You want some more once and match on with the beautiful thing that happened over the weekend. Every so I'm Pedi boy, she with US. Just I'm Pedi with Ghana, boy, and my. It's a idea of performing in New York. Nehoi and a beautiful kids named Mano Livingstone Jr. And I buy out. See, oh, more just they say the TikTok, what I call so I'm doing Papa, you was standing in our promo, Nibia Madaji. It's the beautiful moments are Abwai and then ma. Performing on stage live New York, you remember? Just saying, well, I'm a guy, so beautiful. Then I'm Peduni Elise called Parisi. Then I know more young when you must say, yeah, so beautiful.
Eti nyame nhira mo nka mo ho na mo nyama ne nyefese ya mfama yesre nkwatentema dadi enui ena mbetimi I enjoy no ache spiritus papastalas na just spiritual things ekoso kidi Ghana jumtini abrante no fefefe girl them sugar na say ba ku bia ba ndo e be say girl them salt look alike kidi look alike no oye man nchene wo ye sichiri eti bo modi anhwe no na ehu de ebe ye no ayade a waka asem bi na you know creative art no bebre na just adding into so I was very happy to hear Kidi say it na no chese obebo ne ho ban o ni masem kwa Kidi kan me pacho ka creation kwekwe no nyam na mbeka kotie free Kidi ho brasisia. Have
you ever experienced a spiritual attack?
A lot of things that sometimes people think spiritual attack is just maybe you are sick. But it's not always that the devil. Sometimes they have messages more. They don't get used to. They just destroy other things in your life, you know. So I would say there's certain things that have happened to me that, upon looking back, I realized that it wasn't just a normal thing that happened. You know, spiritual things happen is a reality. But I've also told myself and chosen the path never to feed into that energy. Like, yes, I admit and I accept that they exist, and I'll do my prayer, make sure that I'm protected with whatever I do. But I won't feed my energy into it because there's a very thin line where you can get lost in that aspect where your whole life is about battling spirituality. Because trust me, after you finish fighting the first demon, there's demon at stage 2 who's also waiting. So if you don't take it, your whole life will be about, hey, this demon, this person was doing this. Yes, they are there. Pray hard, make sure you're praying, you're spiritual, but never feed into that energy. Keep winning, keep going forward, and keep focusing on the right.
Girl them sugar and some of the other months so no dear me no ya adwen because o mfa me cheche mu ti se kashirina wo so ya de bia obi ye wo na mu bebre no timi kwa so juada ekosi kwasiada tu ko pe bibi nge ye bibi na nyame nhia so once a while be say Friday we be call night is cool but if it's Monday wo timi kwatena ho 9 no wa sorry 5 wow but me aduane mamuku no de eti Kidi yate be wo so bo ho ban pay yes asande me te medin because no de o matoto be brave by krapem late moja anu hye asante achema gogo moja anu hye wo be kofi ampaduti we wo bo mpa ma me nti no you know Sarah so timi to nyom jeje me kra eti no try do betimi a try e bia ho mfama de be fa me ho kakra basa pa sa ba ya me te e be kama to de jinyame Miji Yesu di. Eti ye to aso a weekend me catch up say wedding bi. Ebe ko so a edro bi anka dem be ko ba ne say edro ni bitimi piepie. Because from social media commentators no, almost they were expecting more. But when wedding I am fro, wedding and fan ho china. Obi na de ne ho why ne wedding. Oto okasa and trendy anka ate ho asem. Into Omanye Royals. Such a beautiful culture. Me was so beautiful to watch. And I saw some comments people were saying, no, meant me and 2K21. Now, catch us so you'll be back competition. Royal family, no, more the bijamo say, or more back competition, on be truby. They are just doing their thing. It is so hen away na your fa. The head way so fan on fa. It's on be PMU, a year, a brie, botanical gardens, the whole, and no more no. And I've seen other comments, people saying, Gan Royals no mo sha asante for Kenti. Just what they said am hwe ani mo die. Die sa kwa asem dua na se di moja na ohum ho because mo hwe ani mo dodo. From a Gan person, a Gan Royal, wo tre me mu say ye Gan for dressing and on my hair no. In fact, wo tre mu krampo say Kenti ye wo mu assault. Enti ye besro say sa wonni mu a aya susu kasa asa na adwuma mama me bre da wasa me kire nsemu a enti no kire mu a Ganfo no so wo Kente te sa asantefo na which is very similar wonni ani na wan hye hwehwani wa te semi de ya ha wo bi hu enti from a Gan person wa confirm me me say truly no this is Gan Kente and even know them for ni bi so kra wo Kente bi say enti na egugum assault me ma na nya wo Kente enwe ni bon renku a wadaroma enye bon renku anya renku Kente wate it's na Ganfo de it's na bia make when ya ba ho so kakra it's impatch madam ma monko hwe bi mra na course weekend me no ye nya invite ha ya na be hwe kakra to bia nko hwe bi mra ne to aso wate enu ni wadaro ma wenye bia nkwenye boni ntina no pay mafa home from akakra edi acho. Now over the weekend, something interesting happened and we were all very proud. That particular moment, everybody was proud as a Ghanaian, which me assure say wow shemino. When you aje papa because Nigeria for held the bicycle ye na ide day then tia ho de hu semran to we bi ni abaya baako akomo ho abomwa like they are very adventurous. 10,000 kilometers straight from Accra to London. Bonsemomo yate ho nkomo ni bebre. We are so proud of y'all. Now no pay I am any jema ho say nipa baako na oka ho kwa oniba papa kwadwo saka mensa ka no kan mantewa no eho enti yene ne becheche nkomo ne ebisa no so omukodru ye krampo no feeling no etisan bra kwadwo mpacho good morning bra kwadwo mpacho temenka obetimi a o mute ho ama meka kwa ne acheche nkomo kindly unmute.
Sorry, man.
Yeah, who said that, yeah. Matene, kapasha mo
superb, a great feeling.
First of all, no, ya mama jiko ya ye, ma ya dear strong kokra.
Yeah, busia, yeah, dom, yeah, jumoso.
Mama, I am proud. In fact, matete interviews be brave, matemo kasa be brave. Then pan a camo. Aside some adventures, I'm not to quite sano. Then I come on Mokasa this time around, you better London.
I chin Ghana, I chin West Africa, I bread. Yeah, try Ghana home several times. Yeah, Jumana Yamedumi and Yakakra. Na, yeah, they are coaching. Ain't it? I change near there, and driving to London.
Wow.
Yeah, start to see can no be agency about them. Oh, comes home to me, and I wait. Yeah, copem boy cry and conform person boy because oh my God, say damn been about a person ye coaching, but Sunday man moment courage ye. A share in crime may say, ya bay honey, I said, dear way. Now, Bia no near a share way when you're a share. We say, we are say, what the name is when you saw the hands obey planny and washing ye. Bet me, I
okay.
And I will have be a body as well and Nijabano. And Crofona, I'm one crying. I started to see a brandy a car, see a posty pictures, then near my normal pass derogatory comments, need a more discouraging. I know. I hope some be a free one who say, almost be a BBA, Fakumapa, and they are no patai because yes, BBI possible.
No correct. Now, Okasa can some Mwebisa, Patra Mwabena before Mobe fast according to ways, Moko pay, Moko pay free hefa, and I mwenya.
Oh, yeah, no credit say. Yeah, ne telecoms companies ni bikasa because you be here data, you be here communication.
Okay.
Yeah, ne fuel companies ni bikasa, especially omo fuel a long road used to through the French countries to Morocco, EBP. Yeah, ne car companies bikasa. Imagine sanka interview na sanka car siya muhi nanka sebe Ghana ninka o produce ya na se bibi ni ye yusu because yetene BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera why obia kan ye ho asem nanka we your Ghanaian products are ye promoting but anyway at least say no man who say serious people you can't you hope is going forward no you bet me ama your trips now are more Ghanaian owned.
Yeah.
Sani it's me promoting Ghana in its real state. As imagine we are using cars produced or assembled in Ghana.
Yeah.
And we are using a network from Ghana.
Yeah. By now headline here Ghanaian made cars and echo, but it's all good. My idea. It's what next? Say Madrid London, Ghanaian communities now so fair what next for mu group no? And you be am from say Wanderlust and Wilderlust.
Wanderlust. WANDERLUST. We wander and we last.
That's nice.
So we're always lasting for opportunities. We're always lasting for adventure.
That's nice.
Group here, movie Afro, Afajato more than 2 times. Ibiako Fro Kilimanjaro.
Hey.
Yeah, woman, no. Yeah, Juma. Nah, Yako, the Maya Cranage.
It's what next?
In the next few days, no.
Okay.
Your England hire try see a beton a dime be because yeah developers you see that ton.
Okay.
The blade war fire a product I ton Saka homes so ha yeah ton ya dime or ya funny West Legon, East Legon.
That's nice.
Because we've promised Edu Sports says 20 houses here they are two on board the ton you be combined no. You better donate $40,000 towards goal ya or sexy for Sikaya raising. It's the next few days here and your engagements I try see a better and your meetings. So His Excellency the High Commissioner Papa I invite him to the Ghana High Commission or Chinanyame Aduma Yabekon.
Okay.
And other Ghanaian individuals were invited to more establishments and more offices. It will be doing that.
Okay.
And Sunday Abaganda.
All right. Answer that major Okwino. Quick one, cars no mobe chiaba back and mobe ship yaba.
Cars no yabe ship. Inti perceive use to Ghanaian shippers. Inti Ghanaian shippers are all London. They are the best of fun. On family mine on shipping cars in Bragana. You perceive the cars in the bagan near the ACC museums and as and Kroma Mausoleum and Abbey Binani Paba, no more no Musampa. Yeah, because there are a lot of derogatory commentary negatives. We say why and yeah, we say and then and say yeah, the motivated nipa.
Cars no more the best museums at their mass states, you know, and I say more the best museums later na mako farm property back because they are expensive cars.
Yes. Yeah, but fire cars, and fine charm. They see on them they are bois omo.
Okay.
Since I be over Jessica be. Jessica, you be they are contributed towards a charitable deed they are committed to it.
Okay.
We're going to engage Ghana museums. We're going to engage the mausoleum.
Okay.
And any other place or we are interested in hosting our cars.
Okay.
Because Nyame Adoma within 5 weeks cars and we're back to Accra. And we can do this.
But I see pizza no pay when you bring me to chain come but we're expecting some come over driver back when nanka are you fool nyanya oh and I'm want me nyane sama
Oh. Said I'm a chair one. Yeah, business owners are busy.
Okay.
Yeah, take you on. The whole trip is going to take about a month of our time. Until we say we are going to drive back, and that's going to be another 6 weeks, and that's expensive for business.
Okay.
Trip now, and it's every day, I fill a car not twice. Country be a to insurance.
Okay.
And I do be a that hotel.
Wow.
You did hotel. And yeah, better.
Yeah, but now as I said, my ending in a Yamin Shamo on Camo, the person we be. I mean, Ghanaians are so proud.
Yeah, so Ghana from God. Yeah, I'm happy. Ghanaians are happy.
Yeah, we are very happy, very, very happy.
We're glad that we brought excitement to the Ghanaian populace.
Yeah.
And we pray that the happiness stays and good things happen to our country.
It does. Saka Homes, you are ready for business. It's all the very best. But I was the son of Pewinga Brenia Daji. And you Adom TV, at your chain come on.
All right. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Inti Kwajo Saka, businessman, I'm on call expedition recently. 16 days on road. It is a queen and a bed, home, a Ghana for baby, say, it's in a quite that from quite landing yet was her. No, home court, but quite of us who could dream. It's baby, I know I actually, dear Mammy Sarah, Parame director, Wobbe Kufian Pedu, on Yabe Ghana, Eja George, Obanaba, Richard, I'm a cameraman, most is a sound, PROS sets, and a hidden glow, and a chimney, a day, a mammy. Not me, charming, why I'm sure, men come more surprised, more very big one, maybe to see I was a pair, Jimmy. So Adom TV sunie ya no ya want to yentino ya mpribebre kakra sa ni ebu no tot but when you beje ho me need Sandra or him with me from a sister stand to be a guy ni adru so no titi ni animunyamfo bi edi omo awoda efe se mo kan ye ho na de bia mo hwe ejumedie no also special day say no we will share in your joy and unti no pay meti ha say straight up yenko birthday wishes no so nya wodi kan wodi na woda Madam Bozoma
I gained my freedom. The policeman said to me, the politicians are not ready to build any schools anymore. All they are building is prison. And Pamechia, but you saw who ye, maybe I will be a young person you encounter. So go so Badwam on Adom TV. Live on DSTV channel 280 na fe Go TV channel 119. And I'm so nyabere to me Adepam season 3. One show me see ade kese pa. Srewada. Woni kon wan you say kwese da bia 4 PM on Adom TV live Adepam. Na sua se de pamade. Obetimi atena Adepam wa season we kwa we na ngwasa unko school bia quantity but at least when your basics no ya betimi de pamade obedidi ho. The 60 regions ni nyina demu anesa obia rep ewom to abama rep from origin no pam watare from ma say fugu say ye kentem pam no pam de ama wo hwade pam season 3 on Adom TV kwesiere bi at 4 PM and pa bi dey akwasinsia asemi di kabre na asu mewura ho in fact mewura ho but before sabe call me main issue ne so no. In fact, this is also part of the main issue. Obi bia we appointee under Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. Buanoate. Buano. Emanensensi form. Why? Emanensensi form. Everything that you can do within your will. And the abuani be abuano. And I remember the name and penny is shy. But there's a reason to make us obi biya mampeni ama akwenya say serve in my government biya do everything within your power. Obuano na wo bua Ghana. As a movie adwunyam say NPP co-position. And to kwenya be fa so enso be secure ye de ene adwun ho. Menya sa de no. Why? The moment I begin Sunday morning, you know, na oh my Ghana from Buano. Why Buano? Oh Buano, oh Bua Ghana, my Ghana fan to my pa at the fra. And the Ghana, my brother Mechiamo, until I begin to no paper some way. And I know me no would think come be the share. Dachi papa ye jadima in Chilima. Dachi, yeah, ye ja edima in Chilima. And I ask myself, say, say who abba and the person a 10-15 years to come there, and your mind gonna was some case pa the pot. A jaba ye could in that day. Say who abba the action say a best so the next 10-15-20 years, Ghana was some case upon the pot. And the rings didn't stand on that TC Mabunuso. We and a son. Yamaburu fanya she. What kind of future are we building for our youth? For the people na see you building Ghana and the amono. Your munti, yati, yanya fam was yanti fam nibi and fanto famo and chima uban and chima no way. I'm from Comaduma. Here's a video from me. From Maduma. Shey mofra atie siwi so And we family be sa and as if him avre umaye. The fantasy at one okay nyina say me de me banka wontinye masem hwani ye. Hwani ye na ehu. Because that same society now we need sanom atete se no enu emu na obanam. Hwemaduma hwe video hwe TV ne so. We ni aboan from the go side e mabuna eye adwuma su adwuma e wo magazine o. O se magazine adwuma no busua no sikanim o mu ton wi. Kuma se meduma. Ni e no mo ton. Because they feel say sika wom. It will ba na akora ni timi show win 15-year-old boy timi show we. No so aka just say we the modu pa we modu ofa we bra be boda. Ni e ne man. What kind of future? Enyi matika enyi fam so timu en fan so timu da say me banka huntini enye masem me de meti is le gon say mama before ya enye me issue any year. This is the same society, the same environment. Sankwada ya na emanu omuko school and then you do pepe so be say ya difficult say enkwada beti ofo sem say enkwada ti omo na mfo credit o ma ofo. Etini oba ton se eye odi hiade akwada wo ba e fa nadamfo. The future na daga na nim no to na meyem hyehyeme ya na meyem hyehyeme yempen for de na ye jai mo frɛ se ya ene so bi ntia obi ba ene obi nka obi ba asem eti ye jai mo frɛ se ya ameto ma ne na mu se ya eti dachi ne mewie sei e de amaye asoman dachi no e be wie sei e de amaye eti o hwe pentenko ene awofo abatan e te ne ne na kare woni hwe the next 10 15 20 years me bay bra wo boy abandie na ayere mama bunu abandie na wo ye. What is the future plan for our youth? Ghana, you plan power for your youth any day. Your plan is saying, say, Bani, a baby, a good son, Quadanco school, no Biaco school. Or maybe about a telefone, no mania. Is that the plan? Say, Mofra over 1 million at the fear, and Yajumania. Is that the plan? What is the plan? Your plan powerful, your Mabuno or Ghana, and they say, Mr. President, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, what is the game plan? I can't barely say 1 year. Mampani, what is the game plan for our youth? And also made Matisa. Because I can say, says Yayama, the only lucrative business in our country is becoming politics, and in fact, it is politics. At the discerning now, we are university. You want to say, only in about 4-6 years back. Ninja politics muno or no anakasem no bedi po edin and what of your Instagram. What picture are we painting to them? Politics in the future, Nana. If any future, if that is the future, Bruno. It means that somebody can say, and you're not my car, or be as you antissa, but that thing is happening. People are making it huge, big in our politics. What is there? What is there? Na kem yet one hwe kwa na se wunya politics wunya baby page na ya hwe and fa so wo benya the end of your term no kasa prekopo wunya nsa so position here power politics mu a and fa so benya within 4 years no kasa prekopo over 20 years bia wunya san fa so no. What is the game plan for our youth? Yes, Kofi Japan Youth Employment Agency or mo yoma for there, but what is the game plan? Is it that game plan 500 700 Ghana cedis? And no, I don't know. that the way? Is that the way? Yeah, person be babuno ekwana. A benefit a blueprint to cater for our youth, for their social life, for their economic life, for their spiritual life, and everything about them. What is the game? What is the blueprint? Yeah, what am I gonna mabuno? Blueprint in the way. Ekita why? Pious Enam Hajide, National Youth Authority. What is the blueprint? Your blueprint, show them, let them know. No, Jidi na otoso. And obi nya ka parents imposo peso to every Ghana. Why? We say now no UK 40 CNS for mo fa nwe. Anase for mo enyo mo afa no wie nursing school. E ya nurse for enya 5-7 years experience. Ya come na be to mo free school e ba na ye for mo de obako. Eti no mo wie school ne ba, one na be to mo. Ochire beto so me dey akwasi nse o ma hine kwabena sante atenase. E we jafo so e krado. O ma me che odopai.
Ya ba em say nkoma e be koso adi na aboe se fapem no bibia da meka fapem ne mu koye mra e den se usi dansi so a e dan li betime agina intimidate for your concerns. It is, as a matter of fact, I tell say a Kuruni in Ayabo attitude central for. You know, Yabuama Omano, a Kodechimo. Let's stop pointing fingers at others. Let's point it at ourselves. Yes, central for Nankasani. Me to start with. Ye no credi, Yabraba, Yaboyan Semayeka, Atosinka. The moment there's that admission on our part, now yes, it's everywhere. Then the Akukudro comes in, say, Ako attack the others. Timmy, I really love what you have done this morning, but let's do self-check first. And let's ensure human rights standards now, PEV and Samone, Cabral, Blair, Mehemone, a very coffee gifty, Beatrice Edumunase, Gordon Avenabone, Rockling Clotty, Charlie Samono. You know, we've thrown that to the gutters, to be honest. Go, GBC, and they can almost dilute to the Kakra. Or GBC, and you may be or Nebi or and Sembi or Agazine Kanye Bucket to Ascensioni. But what kind of journalism are we seeing today, and what kind of journalism are we practicing today? We don't change for the good, we always change for the bad. It is a Usia dear Crafty Amanoni for Noah. Ye in the air papa woman and the young coffin of you know, the Ajia Guna Titia Pansamno and no mummy ever quacofa. Adriane Libya, the Adriane typical example. The Maubinia hoarding, I'll be Granny free at the Ahodono. And no, the order of the day is a junk food. Go on the family nuclear play APR. Someone calls Abia or now Tiffany is bar. Everybody will be laughing at you. Yeah, Timidasi Park, when I'm in Kauna, all my Saku could do the Belgium Sefata. But we can call the others to order. Sometimes your politicians know. Sometimes even the setup of our public and civil service, a major problem for us. And that conversation be the over every 4 year be election by an 8-year term. These public and civil servants, omunim say amongst Omojumano is at hand. They try to play a certain role to put our heads together. Documents and you can say about Bontini or much supervising over years. I feel but I see they think about my Ghana. But for their interest, that's how dangerous it is. Very, very dangerous. But only say them this is why we show them well. I wish you good.
Over 600,000 additional for
okay. All right.
Wish them all the best.
And we wish them the best. Maybe this is uncommon. But here, come on, so quickly. Isaac K. No menyo. Isaac Macha Pom to saying. Okay. So you better call. I could try one bar. Your bar. And Isaac better and come on this way. Yakwaba. All right, so Yasaba Damina was here to common so and Simamenka say non pepe will cross over to NLA for your live feed, no, a change Oshebre, you know, the Mula power, a Pemula. It's a change Oshebre na the Wako game park for another Monday to Friday, 9, 12, and 6. live feed e be pick free on ye dey ma won so wa bro na obo no woni je timi awie pay on ti share no so say no nkuru pepepe we cross over to NLA na afia the game park for Jumedia wondi de biada no ye dey abro wa am say pay for tena say former ambassador to India era Sampiale Atenase Sansona and for Alfred Thompson National Communications Team member and so Atenase mama indi kan kai say a prayer for your kids kwada cultural BC so no a key na fi de beye musuni asembia no empire titru wona e twansu atena moto achi na ebinu so omonante kwansi himbe de wansa no cultural so no sa ankeka ho ne eye mo na ntimi nya bi wan so tope waka akire ontimi nya wo hwe ne fault you know nti yes so nya me be call mu emwa obi bia mu attitude na bia kokama de toso biem so eye Ghana for adehye so a wono so etime free Ghana afa from akopi ewo eye English amanone sa anamontuwe eye nimonyam shekese pa ma Ghana na aya adesua kese so pa ma Ghana ene ye nipa ewo se bibia odi si woni so bia no ade a okase obeye nko ade a na ye papa nko ade a they are betima so at the appropriate time be this and common but say be catch us say na BC so no e koso baby and Isaac no menyo quickly e be din komo ba community bi na fe asa to comes I match up to say
madam Faustina any
hello
yes sir
hi boko there
okay
yeah who here
hello
I put him in car
yes sir
but what him in car okay
hello yes sir
put him in car
so they mete one car
na if on away you so when you try na dey way
amore problem you
me say if on away meeting dey be wachi
Omar is a CMA Abuase Class Senior High School CKC. Centers in Dinoma, Yenianoma now, almost a DC social national. Centers in the Bako. MC DC, our Basse East, and Brassibe Jenny Owa, and the education director and in Warning Quadano, Kata, and no debate, and I would say,
I see. It's a dear Potino, we are bringing so much so in Asana.
Yes. About the family, that's a line break Sakra.
Mr. Briben, or one share, so when I say,
Obama Benyan in case non cron and as I'm not a best Ewaha. Now, Oba was Easter, a more on Kualama Kumako, a hand cron and a 24,924. And then one more Ewaha. Was sent to Makumako watching. And the wall of Buffy East. Oba, care center, you see, kind of choir, senior high school, senior high school, and no, I want a song for it. Yakono, no Colano Bebre, and I know, Bako, Wanyam, Abala Bako, when you add the Funo Abba. Let me be director, said, not only himself will be Dana, no Daddy. Sa Colano, dear, not when you know mess school. It's the guest coordinator, the records are, yeah, say, what will be our when you can pay, and I can do PMO or Santa, one who said, one no dear, when you are what the other PMO ever what they extra and social. That's what I'm saying. Say, bibia dana kwemu one more eba ababetro na o man adeba kwa me dem ni so fo hwe pa ne say center be gina se CKC center ha de me fa say ya kakra ne sampa bo chen kwara no e bi die kwa ya strippers e na bi kwa se kale wati and now we babet and social no and now we should be no sabi o tade should be no kurampo na sabi and should dan should jasa and now e bi o sa sha aha me gina se no e bi no shock kwa no mo se shock no ye fie di and na bebre wo mo tell them make three person ina na se wo mo e bi gira na no pa na me nyamre ne nkola ne bi di nkomo e bi sa wo mo Sahoboa ben enoma ye no so sisi ade omo ya hoboa na bibi atum ne mu mpanifo mo nya ne ntie se afiwe ensohwe no eye soronko ne soronko eye nyina ne se omo te the first no obi ti be apo ba ne afafiri ha ne de akomo odu obi foforo na sisi ade omo ayi ne obi a sikesi one class kura na nkola no wa se question answer no na question no obi a on different sabia one question na obi a be ye de menso de tie nie one paper so paper and I say candidate 1 yi wo ha na number some question no who dey betu akwa number yi na number 8 yen che extra it is a woni na do ani ko to apo so say we dey ye nyina dey paper 8 answer question A and obi abeya obeti it wo munyi o magen free sa apo so no any ade o mo say won dey ato o
wadama sabra bi no manyo o se dey wo mo dey na be economy as o say
so me to nke ya ade a mo say afiwe eye soronko ewo eye nkola no bi si ya mo yere ne se ebi a English ni ya questions no ni nyina obi ade English na mo no the answer sheet no so no question A ebi a what is your name question A here the what is your name no e dey akomo obi paper question yi A wa ha na so akoye yi obi foforo index number so it ni nyina nsi so bi a what is your name obi a what is your name question A baby at the that time me tell that na atuwe ade Adom TV so ni yenhwe wa ye nyane atiwe bi ababi si no questions no kire mu kakra
an shasi afui esase enfie mienu ni last 2 years BET exam na region bia question different but the same level of difficulty and last year objective exams, the arrangement was done on district basis. In TB, I many nearby district, and as a district, I'm in the share borders. Yeah, mathematics, 40 objective questions. Last year, the CN question 1, Obuasi East. Obakwaku, maybe another question 3. Question 2, Obuasi East. Obaku, Obuasi Municipal, another question 20. 20, Obuasi East question, now the Kwaku, and after Obuasi Municipal, now the Koma Oma. Arrangement is different, Wakum Kodano. Now, feed the minister may appear and say, even within the same examination room, unsanifa and unsabinkum. The Otibinkum Nifano, Ucha when you heard one. On the questions are answer arrangement near completely different from Modi. And you always answer question 1, no catch the one. If you on the paper, say question 13, and I also again say question 1. A basa, what do you know? In the end, I ever say, after we, it's answer shall say last 2 years, after we the end of the and that is how the arrangement is going to be. Okay. Minister serialization. And then I expect it to be a
okay, so Isaac Nomanyo, Medas, but when he brother so about you when this was sorry we. I mean, so you should now Kubusa Complaints and take question 1. I want you to say, a Sarah Diana Bono, what Tikura, and Tiene Waboka. Well, Isaac Medas, a Kotamale, Eliasu, good morning. Upon to say, hello, Eliasu. Now, Northern Region, am I ready for BC?
Am I ready for BC? None of it.
I see. Omako through a young church, Bibia, Kama, and the background say Eliasu, question 1. I don't question 1 bit my question 13 or maybe one or much churches. I don't want to know much wrong.
Omai no question me, Yabai and Kwana church and church be a was a Omudu Omukomuno, Omudi Omafum. Na me wo business senior high school center ba kono no bisco eho na enkwani bi etwe ende ensohwe no bi ewo ha na mo sei na ye ba ye no ya ba be hu se ebi ani abra omugusu edi baba pa ha se ebi ade omuhia na no poi no ebetimi atoa ma omo ana sesen na efitie na so he omo ahoboa ewo ha na mo a ya hu se omo na ha na mo no ebi aba ebi kwa na mu a omuwura mu kwa sisi ai na empeni ma yesi asese ye kan say exam no be sa se 9 o'clock ene anopai ye ba bedru hanam no yahu se ahokeka no e wo so a school kwa no aba obi a ne bedi nkomo bia wo ayrohyemu se obetimi atra twani a obetimi anya enkunimdie e wo afi exam tia omo ba betwe mu na ebra na ye ne womo a omo eda ha ne bi etwe nkomo no mo kire se omo no enam se omo beda ha nti no omo no ase anadwo no nyina de omo tumi bi ya dodo na no ese omo sua ade a omo warehyem se bi omo sua no ebetimi ato afamu ne na bibia etimi akotote na oman hene se wo hwe wo mo sade ye hwe wo mo ha kwan wo mafa so be pia wo dressing ene de ekeka ho a wo mo a obia fini school mu na aba nti school atade na wo de beba na empaboa na nsem ne de ebi hye empaboa black ena ebi so no different colors white green color bia bi ewom na socks no so no white ne na dawson nenso no ebi hye black ebi hye green any colors ahodo bebre ne mo hwe a empaboa ne socks ne de white no na dawson a meka ne se tanse no ene yahu mi besi a esanse anya ensha afese o mo betwe nti no ye nsha da hu se ebre no ebeso no ma sha afese wo ha ana bibi foforo a ye di ani bedi echi no ma nta o hwe achievement em ha nyina enkra ne o mo ba betna atwe BC so hwe bi no GS ma yeti afese 31,534 candidates ena ene omo betna atwena memma ewom no 16,528 ena ye memma wom na emma no so no 15,006 ena omo so emma ene no omo ba betwe omo na hwe stations ana say full can say exam centers ahodo a ewo achievement ma we bisco free hono ma no bisco enso exam center Punta Mal Senior High School so exam center tanso ena Savilugu Yendi ene Tamasco ene Emiankai bebre ho a exam centers a ene anopai Northern Regional Minister Yewura Sani Alasan Shaibu wone education penny phone bi edi o mani be trim acha chef Savilugu omufi omeko Punta Male ansa na omaba no bisco ene awie na omaba be omeko aso aso akopim se fiala ebedu a French a omobetre.
Okay, so Eliasu mamena say o dey free tamaliame ho dey akoso onum yebeba back to studio but before yebeba no Awuku Malik Awuku minyano mi hu na ache na boko de
ya mi adum ma hene boko.
Hello Awuku.
Hello ma hene.
Oh, Awuku mente unka.
Hello.
On foot.
Hello, am I in?
Yes, Awuku mete unka kasa. Aha, mete boko ode.
Am I in ya mi adum bibia boko?
Very good. Na Kumasi de e kasa e de na ekoso.
Am I in oba Kumasi a BC na me no kasa me wo wewe so MA basic school. A chese sable ana fe na schools by 13 ever betro exam so ha say no.
Reso na no na ade infonyi na banana. Eno infonyi na da no.
I say ohwa afe no mu na ba be sia. E wa ha say afe no mu na ba be sia 13 schools ana eba wewe so MA basic school ha say ya. On ba be ye sohwe no. A mo hwe ni mu say addition for be ye 439 and betimi aba ha say. Yeni mpanyifo di nkomo mo de atudwa se ade ba ko a wo mo ehwe ni mu ne se wo mo enhye socks enya ade be mo kwan mo ma hye socks e de akoka so ye ma wo kwan ma mo resource bia wo ho ana fe so no enya ade be ma wo kwan mo ahye mpaboa bia se campus ana se issue ana se bia sa ye ma wo kwan ma wo enhye nko na supervisor wa ha se be pese me ni di nkomo kakra na wo no ankasa eka kakra e kire opanyini anopai Yema watching about Adom TV. Yeah. And yes, so said be about for dear. Oh, Na yɛhwɛ ɛnɛ ana yɛhyɛ exams n'ase. Say na preparations in city.
Well, yɛtumi ayɛ biribiara Friday ne yɛbɛyɛ final preparation concerning writing of names, arranging of tables and chairs. Na anɔpɛ yi ɔbɔ adeɛ de akyɛn nti yɛhyia ɛwɔ ha. Nkwadaa no bɛyɛ assembly. Yɛwɔ 439 candidates a yɛ expect sɛ ɔmbɛyɛ exams no wɔ wewe so MAGHS. Nti MP nso ama marset nti na anɔpɛ yi yɛbɛkyɛ marset no ɛde ama nkwadaa no. Furukurom MP ne delegate awɔ ha a ɔmbɛkyɛ marset no nso. Nti yɛn ayɛ ready.
Ahankwa na examination center na say obo Furukurom ya wɔ other centers so.
Obo Furukurom ayɛ I think about 4 or 5 centers. We saw KNUST GHS, KNUST SHS, St. Louis SHS, and Akedu MA Basic.
So what so far morning crying kita hudie ni ade bia hunu say ehu bi wo mu anasa preparations mock ni ade amaya ni ntino enkra no mo confidence e was.
Oh, nkra confidence no was pa Friday cry ba ye adwuma na hu say omo confidence was so anopains when say binum na uncompleted building na almost wo ho no ebinum kra wo mo sua de and there is no fear in Balano.
So what other centers ni bia teacher mo mo nkron kitwa no ebi fi ba bi beda ba bi se bia mba ni amon ba bi ada aha sei ebi tesa na sa high community ni na wo city centers.
Oh da bi the greater Kumasi obi an fi ba bi obi an fi ni fie na ba
it is sad and the money aso de bia o
David
eti amahene
sabe mama na wase wa adwuma pa watima ye de amaye ye free Kumasi ye be rem quickly e wo kasoa na ya hwede e koso e wo honom kofi se otimi ka ma che
amahene joso
me te wo ka che papa
me se ho ya me to nka che na me to nka kra
yes there's a kasoa bibia e kama wo hono no bibia e kama wo no
bibia e boko na before me back aso me ko gomo is ansa na pie mu kaso
all right
na gomo is ana me no tase ma ko pie mu gomo abuduata na headmaster our da buduata aban suku ano me no ka headmaster no e hwen ba bia e hunu wa hyehyɛ yi no amafo bon to justice ni nya no sɛ amahe enkwala na headmaster ndi di o musika sɛ okwa register mu no enkwala no makomako miensa abasesi a me no ka sɛ enya dia headmaster no register mu ebusa na osisika no afront system takra etino ama sesi an enkwala no address kuntan mi firi ana ma be pie mo ka so enkwala na address gina hono mu a ye headmaster so meka bibi headmaster efo ahiagbe ye na ye hunu ni nya ne se tika na ojiji so kwa register BC enkwala na government school enkwala no makomako miensa enkwala no edin enim ene da nyimire ene eche headmaster no call awofo ne ba ku fie e be ka che ma me ne se opane chewa ne ba no tika omoje se okwa register no sika no afa ne ntase enti opa mo chew ne ba no de ondimi ntwe nti ne kwa nkama kwala ne nyale ne ko tworo ezan se ko basa na so be hye ana ma me cheze no bi awaji mi basika mock free 25 cities o sa je mock free akola bia mock free 25 cities e me ko aban ti nyanyi obi asika o ma ni 25 cities ama wi wasan waji bibia so kwa register kwala no uwie ya ne ba nka ho nti o ka che ma me na ma me so nti asia no pe ma me na dwale ne ba no adna ba school mu ha center wa ko se ne ba no metwe ba index no mani ho ya ho kwala mi nu so aba o mo so koya o mo index number ensu ni wa di adanse fefe se e kwala mi ensan ne sisi ano omadi ga dika identify omode enya de ne ombetro bia omunyo no ba betro mo pan enyina kuta omwane omahina aka omunzemu a exams no omuntimi ntwe san headmaster je omuzika wa register om.
Wow. Apart from this challenge, any other challenge?
O se sia de me no ka say the challenge bi no esi ano kaswa na mabepio kaswa nipa tro exams no 8760 and emema wo me 4207 and ma wo 5553 and extra exams in private schools no and gwala wo me 4579 and public schools no there and gwala extra 4181 and this ano ohia and gwala no extra the private school for gwala those government schools no and omo airtro anum say and the schools were airtro cars were 292 and airtro cars so afei and I sha say bo and to another say we are between a PM say Santa Bacoa kind-hearted international school and no workers of alcohol and no casesi and Colano Omaba Assembly and Colano examiners no na so mo be exams so A2 omfo na afi enchebia no ma share exams na ndoma hinso bibia ni ho dia samre egusu aye namu a
okay Kofi medase mejidi se wi ebesa na wahia wasan komo prem to breka se na afo tim de koso de abre but ye beda Adom City Estate for access on kai se and open 2-bedroom detached and semi-detached 3-bedroom detached and semi-detached 3-bedroom executive detached if it's 300,000 Ghana cedi ikono obetim de nya de eda wakoma so pa free 0308250068 etwa yan ba ye ba ye to en komo no so an say Saba, quickly, Your Excellency, we'll come about BC in Sovena, Era Thompson, and then we do politics today. Just 2 topics, political, discuss. Yeah. Student. Yeah. Because we do exams day now. I have to say. It's simple, I know who be. But this is the teacher for because you best search one panties, you buy them on show, emotional balance. From okay exams today, I also believe there be a parents is one casa. But above all, I'm thinking there by now. Textbooks are from what is school because a textbook in new school all you are doing that I'm on one past questions will help you when it comes to only the objective questions but so one more is in the drawer what the teacher has given you one says what research I hear from the textbooks I wish them well. From here, what next? That's my problem. ABC, we are secondary school. After secondary school, university. After university, what next? So I like your call there. What is the program? Mm-hmm. What is the program? Mm-hmm. Because when I went to India, in 30 years, they know what their human resource requirement will be. How many doctors do we need? How many lawyers do we need? Especially IT, how many do we need for our national program? In the NDPC, is that NDPC? Mm-hmm. Development planning. There. In 20 years, Ghana should be here. So then we train the human resource. But we don't have it. We don't have it.
Oh, we have it.
Oh, if we have it, it's not you. It's not you. If we have it, it is not influencing.
Thank you.
It's not impacting.
That is it.
So we don't have it. No. If we have it, we are not using it.
There are 2 different things: having it and using it. You have it, but you're not using it.
But clearly, once there's no impact.
But when Nimoy Thompson developed the 40-year,
the CPP man, the PNC or CPP.
No.
There was the chairman of the NDPI.
Yeah, I know that he was with the economic something.
Yes, he developed a 40-year plan. But
someone handing over my Omo.
Yes, they believe in manifestos. But a manifesto cannot develop a country. Manifestos are used to win elections.
But the development, that tells us that by the close of 2030, we have almost 2,000 or 100,000 people who will be entering this, will be passing here, will be doing this, will be empowering these people and all
Way
this.
Way back in 2013, I read that India will want to put space, go take part in the space. Today they are in space.
That's a plan.
That's the plan.
They work towards it.
A money be a plan be money be a
before you get it,
planning. They said they are great there. And we don't get it, sir. We cannot develop with this mentality. We don't get it. That's why my worry is. So if you look at everything, we are going on reverse gear. Total reverse gear. Let me talk about education. When we did the O level and A level, yes, the reforms, need them there. So today, the private schools, the top private schools, across the international, they are now charging us huge sums of money
for the old system.
So all this talk about education, whatever it is, if we remove it from the political context, you real value. It's a message. If we said, say, as a country, look at how many people are writing these exams. How many people are writing these exams?
Thousands.
Are we ready for them at secondary schools?
When they are exiting SHS. When they are exiting university. When they are exiting after university, what's the plan?
So the education strategy does not fit into our development program. That's where the problem lies. So, we are doing well, but I just have questions. Just security, election security, the examination security, not so. But what is the head of the children?
Good morning, Omahen. Good morning. Me Krumni, Ambassador Sampi Ali. Yes, small boy. Yes, small boy. Remember, me was 80 years. Into I don't them. Yes, small boy. I make you do retirement age very soon. Into my brother opinion. Into find them. Correct me. Me your uncle. Me your uncle. Michia were taking especially the people of Cape Coast and Central region. Zamekanye there, baby, we do in Bra, Moframan, Zawishan was school in a workers of one ashe. As a cry or ho him man, ni corruption or cheating, and cheating is more like corruption. Or no from in quantity. Na I starting kakra say wokocho on social na e could be so be there o number 1 and answer near then and I bet you so so okay me juman one time be na obi betina me nyim na obi sam there oh says ya ma ye hoti on anka me ye me doctorate na ono bet you bibiara mam na at the end of the day wa award him doctorate na mbisa ne then I say I will question as a chron as in how would it impact on the worker breba be nature na ho no hwe menyim na meka che you know what I don't believe in big titles. I believe in performance because I'm coming from a background that you should show and exhibit what you can deliver. It's a message from man. Don't see failure as an end result. Men there say echo nde na eka fail exams na no ye nanyen. There's always an opening. A kwan bibe boy. A betum aye bibi foforo. A betum ama okwan mpo ma awankasa etina ho na ebisa monde. E hemfa na me ye anabaze na me ye na man ye ni ye. Na ezewunan esisi ye. Ye hia obiara wo mani mu moframa nyina mpanyimfo nyina. Na ye hia adwen kro. Na yen stade yeresesa yen su na yen ban na ekwan ada ho ma mpuntu kese waba omani mu because at the end of it all the new oman biara brim wo biara chide Ghana man yen penyimfo a worba daache onye yen boframa a worba abazi na ye jama won ma ho so abachiado ya besre ho ma won ma de woko wie wo exams mu ana woko bisobi obeye one ezibana will be in there, but focus on what you are doing. Don't be scared. Oh yeah, sometimes echo exams room akumantumpo or draw as a area. Don't be scared. This is not a life and death issue. Or here there be as a pass, but it's not a life and death issue. It's BBRA ebeye bia obama okwan ma mpuntu so abawa abrabom. So focus and deliver. And I wish you all the best. I know you can do it. Trust in God, pray, and bring out everything you've learned. Say za anka no puna ete the teacher ka wo classroom ekeya I will truck home. Ebia ono no obama pass.
Okay, so we are doing purely politics. Well, Yasaba non cross over to NLA and Game Park Yepemula live at Bebro 9-12-6. Now yes, it's on daily basis. This is so beautiful. Maybe this is why I crowd say train live feed. No, we are doing politics this morning. Yakaga na Hwasem kakra be ya manyo semankasa da Adom City Estate for RCP, and where I have an interest because I have been an advocate for that, but it's the Council of State for the Nchirimuaba. Your Excellency Chechemu, the Council of State has responded to the petition from the National Democratic Congress regarding the approval of Dr. Peter Apiahene and Hajia Salima Ahmed Tijani as members of the Electoral Commission. The Council firmly stated that the recommendation for approval cannot be reviewed. In a letter addressed to the NDC, the Council explained that once it had thoroughly assessed the CVs of the nominees and provided its advice to the President, the process was deemed complete. The subsequent swearing in of the appointees further solidified the Council's role in the appointment process. And I quote, as you rightly stated in paragraph 8 of the third page of your letter, the President having sworn into office the two individuals, the Council of State has become functus officio in the process of the appointment. It is therefore not possible to review the recommendations already made by the Council to the President. Chairman of the Council of State stated, Nano Tosubo. The Council emphasized that it is not within its jurisdiction to review recommendations once they have been submitted to the President and acted upon. So that's the position of the Council of State on this matter.
Legally, that's how it should be. But let's go back to what the NDC was talking about. The NPP in opposition. The Charlotte say, Ninywa to the stand there. Petition grant our Troyan. Imagine name the signatories grant. Some were dead drivers and others. And so man paying gina do the Charlotte say. And a year huni there. A rabbi was not better than we. Nin some kakana ninzi yen. This is the first time I election. Yen election result. I have more than one. And see, yen you sum in there. Electoral Commission should be an independent, above board organization. This will declare the results are then yen na yeji there. Asaman more time. Your woman, no man paying. Okay, ye a bench be from the Longa Halfway region. Now, on record, with videos and audios, Dan Papan had been a very loud and spoken member of the MPP communications team. They even denied that on your 10 executive, but we proved to them that you're 10 executive. So our view was that Enaniel Okafa was Manasari, who was a 10 president, 10 TESCON executive. Nowadays, it appears that they were packing the Electoral Commission with pro-MPP people. So that was our complaint to the Council of State. But I agree with the Council of State there. Once they have approved the president's nomination, now reversing it will be something.
But what continues to be the work of the Council of State? Is it that
constitutionally the president will appoint in consultation with the Council of State? The platform has been laid there. Council of State, what bit say? Will appoint some PLA to a certain place. Somebody, no. Some PLA is a known political person, it's an NDC person. And I didn't catch a baby in neutral now. It may not fit well. I mean, the master one car. and the Council of State on to Ejuma. Because the Council of State is supposed to advise President. Yet and the Constitution will not have added Council of State there when you baby. The says well, this one role only to reviewing CVs that. Then we have a problem. Because Obiara President Bagada of appointing or CV. I don't know. So why you guys a school in here? Sometimes some CVs, my experience is in there. Open one pocket or school be ever heard that one school. But on the face of the recording, you accept him. But you have to do background investigation. So Council of State, we have investigation about what we are talking about before they approved appointment. To I bring just 1 year or a neutral, but on several platforms.
This is the person who is.
We are talking about. And if the Council of State is minded there, or keeping an electoral commission, friendly, the neutral, then these things would have been done. We have made our complaint, they have decided, but it's our hope there. His technical nature, his technical nature will be of benefit to Ghanaians in terms of elections, instead of his political nature creating disunity in this country.
Okay, so Ira Thompson.
But before I end, maybe if you are somebody over home, you know we are paying for street lights.
Exactly.
We are paying for street lights.
So,
yesterday I drove in I drove from Tama to Accra. So, from I had to Dansuman. All the street lights were off.
That's true.
Why are our street lights off and we are paying street light levy? Why?
Okay, so this
is national fraud.
Unacceptable.
Unacceptable. It's national fraud, and it should be whoever is in charge.
People should be held accountable. That's
so
all.
Yeah, that's
all. Purposely for that.
Street light.
What's that?
If you motor we reba, Bob's Nalambo,
we are not responsible for each other. That's it. Yeah, Thompson. I don't know. A Council of State, a politically exposed person, echo a non-partisan commission. Why?
On my hand, oh yeah, not in some be or there here can say be saying questions. There, first and foremost, is the person fit for purpose? Maybe a one in a kitchen or a gun is he fit for purpose? And now ebia yenya gun any bia na akofa obi fofraba. Would the person be fit for purpose? Then now you scale it down. Me personally, me there or a known NPP activist. Me jina NPP muacha. I've traveled the length and breadth of this country. I've never seen him say or a NPP activist. Ebia now I can be to support government's policies. That doesn't mean the person is a card-bearing member of the party. Ebia na nyimpano openye mebia obireye wa kan today. There are people who personally open up and send them into nyapore bia oye ne fe. Oko support na pa na oko praise na pa enche there or a card-bearing member of the party. So sometimes why did I first and foremost use the word there? Is he fit for purpose? Yenyi Krum Hana appointed the first OSP, Norfi Abra Party. Wasn't he even a vice presidential material for an opposition party? Mobwa, Ora Martina Medu. He was a vice presidential material for an opposition party. When they employed him as the OSP, we didn't see anything wrong with it. We didn't see anything wrong with it because we felt he was fit for purpose. Or Sefata, there was a man. Or Betuma Yejumana, or Betuma Yejuman, or Nintina was a man. Yankabi Sanade, Ora Martinamedu, a MPP ni, a MPP card, and Sana Eze Jumanation in same. Why there were there Ubiroko Electoral Commission? That is also an independent body. Why there Obisuro Electoral Commissioner? Or there Ekasha there Ekita MPP card? And now Ekaka MPP in same and Sana Enyana Kasha. Why should we be doing that to ourselves?
Well,
the first thing we should ask ourselves is the person fit and proper to be in that position?
Well,
has he got the requisite skills?
Maybe beyond the skills.
We sit here and we complain.
Maybe beyond the skills. We should be careful about how we have also treated ourselves when it shoots us, dependent on where we are standing at a particular time.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Debbie, I can say, one of the people who must suffer in this country or you're fit for purpose. Ibrahim Mahama, a specialized area, But you look at how your party are running down the usefulness of Ibrahim Mahama, because the term is that or a PEP, politically exposed person. To the extent that almost the phrase, but for his brother. Now look at your man, Gabi Asarachi Dako.
I'll bring. Let me before you go to Gabi,
look at your man, Gabi Asarachi Dako. So who Okujeto intro chin. Why will Okujeto be
in his response to him?
Why will Okujeto that response? I don't buy into it because if we are now at a point that we only have to look at Onipano, Ninim dia obetim dia boa, na yenwene whether or you're politically exposed, that's a different matter. But the requirement to the Electoral Commission, let's be fair. I know, because I'm a Bravo person, is a fully fledged MPP person.
Holding member.
You don't need to be a card holding member for you to be doing that. But we have a vice president spokesperson who sits on radio on Asempa, I interviewed, that you don't even necessarily have to get a card as an MPP member for you to be known as MPP need. Yeah. So Obi a defend the MPP a whole week.
What did he defend on MPP?
Almost everything that the elections,
so policies. If he sees that MPP as a part, now Obi is saying that he shouldn't say anything.
Obi are part of my activities in the region. No, maybe you don't know him. Maybe
I've been to Bonga.
No, maybe you don't know him. But I'm saying that I know him. He's part of the process of the MPP.
You even pushing for a vice presidential candidate slot for Obi from Bono. I mean, it's part of the.
Of course, that's not a.
But
that is not the issue.
That is part of the issue. So that's when they were understand where it's coming from. Every time, there were more enough time easy because I seriously wasn't in tune with him so many things but me is in what I am saying, and I
love your fit for purpose.
I will sit.
I love your fit for not fit for purpose. And because I love your fit for purpose. I know the only argument, but I'll support you on any day. But fit for purpose.
So write it down. I wrote everything down, and I'm asking my things. Let us stop Ibrahim Aseme as a baby. Who were the first people to visit Ibrahim at the Jata Cement? Wasn't it Osafo Mafo?
Maybe you don't have the history to it.
No,
the process. Maybe you don't have the history. You don't know what has gone into that visitation.
No, whether history or not.
You don't know what has gone into that visitation.
Oh, did they go there or not? Whether there were background machinations or there were invitations or whatever, Osafo Mafo went there. And people were praising Jata Smith. And people on platforms were saying that, listen, Jata Smith is a young boy. Ibrahim, a lovely person. No, baby, or you make us a fine. Or he's so nice to everybody. He doesn't discriminate or anything. So if maybe our autonomous means no I mean, first thing, let me tell you something. One of the things I made a pioneer there. So we got to baby I made in Ghana Zen first. If there's mint, Gasem, other places, and all these other Chinese meats, I'll buy Jata and leave the rest.
Don't be worried.
So let us go back to the point in there. Listen, at the end of it, is the person fit for purpose?
I buy that.
He took it for a purpose, IT related. Oh yeah, why should now we go and say easy or awesome party inti? Awesome party inti ma onye ejuma. Awesome party and now I praise party binti ma onye ejuma. Let us stop this. We are always complaining and saying that let us put the right people there so that the country will grow. There is practice. But we say it and then we go and hide and we start calling people names. Afia. Then my president or first OSP. He took an NDC person.
But the point is
the party people weren't happy.
The point is
but he said that the man is fit for purpose.
The point is that is why Oko baby a yede nhihye ato ho se obi a obekwa akotena electoral commission adwumakuo no obekwa koka ho no say Ghana for do na timiji tum say for amanya there is a reason to that for you may be fit for purpose as the commissioner of the electoral commission, but clearly see the Alfred Thompson continue was a electoral commissioner, Ghana's electoral commissioner. Oh, Minia. Now
he wouldn't praise me because he knows that I have a straight A. I don't care where you are coming from, whether you are party or party.
Am I a witness?
This world, Muna, a vice president be the president, or if you do not pushing them by my woman house arrest. Where was it? One of these African countries. Men care which particular African country.
So in fairness, you think the one the person is fit person?
Whether the person, once the person goes there and he sees that, listen, I have to work for the interest of the nation. The person will work for the interest of the nation.
Okay.
You can take, listen, I can take a known NDC person. Men you back tonight if I find the Gapo Hana baby.
Even perception about these are MPP people, NDC people, a lot of victims by perception. They are fit for purpose. But where you have placed them as we speak now, as a government, you have an idea.
Listen, when I went to my former place of work, NIB, you call Honi, Nipakra na or MD, no, you're NDC, you're NDC na one appointed na. He was appointed by NDC, but the president said, leave him there.
No, it's a different thing when the appointment is done and it's perceived that this is an NDC person who really should be to just a table. I have almost about 8 very fit for purpose personalities, high-ranking top officers.
I am giving you a top officer. I made sure there. Such a person, NDC for now, easy. Obeka no, he should go home. But we left him there. He worked. I went to work under him.
Oh gosh.
I went to work under him. And I don't see what is wrong with AE there. Yebeka there. This person is fit for purpose. In Jogo Yedemejuman. Now, my friend, Council of State. They have a time limit in doing their work. If you want to challenge anything, you send it before they even sit and approve this person.
But are you worrying that the Council of State looks at only CVs and approve people to such sensitive?
I don't believe.
Very worrying.
I don't believe that they only look at CVs.
But that's only what they've read.
They say that they've looked at the CV and everything. Don't tell you the other things they did.
If other things are in,
they have BNI reports.
No, if other things are in, and they still believe that he should go and
they have BNI reports and everything.
Mr. Thompson, you see, what we are doing now, no, I
know, and
whether the NDC comes to power today or tomorrow or not.
What is wrong is wrong.
I'm saying that the NDC appoints Ufusu Ampofo as electoral commissioner. How would you feel? Say, or fit for purpose.
He's fit for
purpose. Running elections
in this country. If he's fit for purpose. Why not?
Hey, Benedict, you're not going to know.
One point Charlotte said, "You lose elections."
Me see, the way you are sitting here talking, we are writing today's date down.
No, I'm asking you a thing. There, didn't they appoint Charlotte say, and they still lost elections over 1 million votes? Listen, Nanado can even go and bring his brother. If we lose elections, we'll lose elections.
But that is not what we are talking about. That's not a country that is built on rules and regulations.
I'm telling you that when the person is
let's not overlook the rules and regulations and keep talking about fit for purpose. No.
So the rule says that the person should not be a card-bearing member of any party. Is that what this says?
I'm asking just a simple question. Are you comfortable with who's for some of your electoral commissioner?
I'm saying that.
No, we are comfortable with that. And then we can proceed.
No, I'm saying.
Are you comfortable?
Let me answer you.
No, are you comfortable?
Let me answer you.
No, this is a yes or no matter.
It's not a yes or no.
Why?
The
same Council of State investment can say, or you're fit for purpose. Are you going to raise objection about that?
Wait, essay question. Now, what's the answer? With the case of essay question, now what's the answer objective?
With the case of Charlotte Osenkrano, it was not just fit for purpose.
Oh,
they even attacked her womanhood.
Yo, nobody attacked her.
You don't know.
You why? Why do you come to TV stations?
Let's not go to that.
No.
Things are past.
No. No, but for the records are her personality.
One person was the person who did not. One person did that.
Not for the records. It's important. No, for the records.
One person did that.
Which one person?
And that person, we all condemn that what he did was wrong.
I'm from champion. I'll be seeing the time. Now we'll cross over to game NLA. Now,
just before you go, Alasan Suleiman or your assemblyman or anti-militarily.
Alasan Suleiman. We say Hausa catches we in your barrack at the cellar. Only Hausa happy birthday.
And then the birthday mention of happy birthday and
I go to India. I went to India crack. Okay, we crossing over.
What can happen?
Game park. Yeah, Pebula.
No, my young could be in Tapo. Eric Kwajato. Very good friend.